सोनसड्यावेल्या मिक्स कोयराचो इशू गळ्या मेरेन तेंकतलो म्हूण फोमेंतोन पालिका आनी आमदारांक शिटकावणी दिल्ली. पालिका सिरियस घेयनासतना सुसेगाद बसली. आतां उजो पेटल्या उपरांत पावसाच्या चिखलात फायर फायटिंग चल्ल्या. कोयर शिफ्ट करूंक फोमेंतोन मायनिंगाचो स्टाफ आनी मशिनरी घाल्या. फातोड्डेचो आमदार मंत्री एक सारको बोवाळूच मारता.
This is a situation that is created because of the comprehensive mess created by the Fomento, which has failed to actually treat the garbage. They have only been passing on the buck to the municipality to them. They have only done bureaucratic issues here. No authority has taken proper responsibility. Now it is left to me as the minister to now settle this. This is a matter which is the responsibility of Fomento. They are supposed to treat segregated waste. The municipality is giving them segregated waste. The unsegregated is lying inside there, we are taking it outside, for which we have used big machinery, everything. Public is not objecting to it. So there should not be an attempt to give this issue a color. This is not my failure. And I have told them the Congress party during Mr. Digambar Kamath's tenure brought Fomento. Today if Mr. Digambar Kamath is quiet, he cannot run away with it. He is also MLA of this area. He should also be taking responsibility to bring segregated waste there. Otherwise, segregated waste from Margao, unsegregated waste will not be collected.
फोमेंतेचो टेक्निकल स्टाफ दीस रात प्लांटार ड्युटेर. पालिकेन रातचें काम करूंक लायटी आनी बाकीची व्यवस्था केल्या. मिक्स रिजेक्ट भायर काडपाचें कामय खंय झुजा पावड्यार चल्लां.
Yesterday we could not mobilize our logistics much because the decision also means it is very difficult to do everything, set the things right within a couple of hours. So today we have done all our homework and we are geared up with all our machinery, lights, labels and all the accessories and all the necessary instruments, and we'll try to cover up as much as possible today night. Maybe something may spill over tomorrow.
Okay.
We want to finish up today itself. It would be
So,
our.
आजपासून आम्ही कितलं हे काढलं?
What I gather information is
More than 1,000?
more than, and it is more also. Maybe around 300-400 tons would be additional,
Yeah, okay.
extra.
परिस्थिती गळ्या मेरेन पाविल्ल्यान पालिकेचो टेक्निकल स्टाफ, इंजिनियर आनी ड्रायव्हरांक शेनवाराय कामार येवंक सांगल्यात. प्रुडंटा खातीर सोनसड्यावेल्यान सावयो डायस.